If someone had told me 5 years ago that a simple skill I already had could earn me money while I slept, I would not have believed them. But that's exactly what happened when I discovered this passive income idea, selling digital products. I had basic PowerPoint and Excel skills, and I used them to create a resume template and an Excel tracker. I listed them on online marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad. I didn't expect much, maybe a few sales here and there, but the first notification I got that said, "You've received a payment," hit differently. I wasn't working at that moment, yet money came in. Over time, I optimized the product, created more variations, and slowly that side hustle began making us $5,000, first $10,000 a month on autopilot, no client meetings, no deadlines, just value people needed, delivered digitally. The best part, I built it once, and it sold many times. This is the passive income idea I wish I knew earlier, because it doesn't need a degree, a big audience, or even a ton of time. Just start with one thing you're already good at, turn it into a helpful digital product, and share it with the world. You'll thank yourself later.